Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to VIVO Y19. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to, or just close it by hitting on OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and click on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of VIVO. Following that, go back to an Android and using all of those categories available at the top, select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times and then select your files. When you finish, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now decide which connection way will be better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on VIVO. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your VIVO's camera at the code. Now, in order to input this key, tap on Input Key section, copy all of those numbers before they expire, and last but not least, hit Receive button to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!